Are you seeing the Drvstore Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. As we prepare to resolve .rvstore library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Drvstore library, the Drvstore management library. It provides unmanaged routines for the staging, indexing, and localized installation of device drivers. It manages the secure repository of signed hardware driver manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Drvstore Library DLL and restore stability. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Drvstore library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Drvstore Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Drvstore library. If .rvstore library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.